Perfect. So we're going to do that in a circle. So while you guys can't think too much, we're just going to start with me and then go in a circle. And when we finish, we're going to go one more time really quick. So I'm going to make up a new adjective really quick. Twirling Thomas. Twirling Thomas.
Money Masaki.
Money Masaki.
Energetic Erica. And then you do it.
You have to do something.
Energetic Erica. Magic Mika. Magic Mika.
Kind and.
Oh Josh, yay. What?
Joyful Josh. Yay. Super Sammy. Woo. Super Sammy.
I don't know what starts with J besides jumping.
Alright.
Talking to Kumi. Hi there.
Talking to Kumi.
Hi. Small Sam.
Yappy, you need, blah, 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 blah.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Do you want to go?
Terrific Teresa.
Perfection.
I'm only doing this because I want you guys to do it. Beautiful Becca.
Nietzsche Masato.
What is it?
Nietzsche Masato. Harry Hero.
Harry
Hero.
Terrible Tayo.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ken. Jake.
Three, 2, 1, go.
Aki. That's pretty close.
Yumi.
Police car.
Please fuck.
Anyone can jump in. Jump in.
Be a tree. Oh. But you gotta jump in.
Who's gonna go? It's an easy game. Go. Akiko. Batman.
Money sack.
That's good.
Person wearing a shoe.
Person wearing shoes.
He's brown.
Person wearing a shirt. Person wearing a shoes.
Snake.
A rock.
Rock.
Rock stays.
Rock stays.
Dead body.
Amazing.
Blood.
Pick one. You see? What? Pick one.
Blood.
The blood.
Blood.
What?
Almost a soldier. I can lie. Oh, what?
Anyone from that side of the room?
No one. It's your team.
Be a bunny. Whatever you.
Like that at such a young age.
Scarring.
So, what was your favorite experience at your school?
I really liked my time learning magic.
Did you name your wand?
That's a good question. I haven't come up with a name yet, but I know what's inside of it. I think it's, but am I? If so, do I? If I think I know who I am? Am I Harry? I'm Harry Potter, aren't I?
What is it like to be compared to your siblings your whole life?
I feel kind of small.
Alright.
I go. What's it like to be queen?
Precious.
Okay.
What's it like to have ice powers?
Oh yeah.
Oh, the girl in Frozen.
Which girl? There's two.
Yeah,
I
which
don't know. I don't care about Frozen.
your favorite?
What?
Do you want to build a snowman?
We should ask that earlier.
Yeah, you got it though.
Oh my gosh, let it go.
Yeah, sometimes I get really angry. Yeah?
How do you like your new haircut as
I like- It's really made me question my identity, but I'm learning to handle it.
You keep reinventing yourself. Why is that so important?
I think it's important not to be attached to one thing. You gotta be able to be flexible. Yeah?
Did your relatives have a long time?
Well, comparatively, I think compared to most people they think so, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. Yeah?
What do you say to the millions who idolize you as a role model that you've disappointed?
Well, some people's expectations are just too high.
How do you deal with the negativity?
I look myself in the mirror and just remind myself that I'm a great person.
You're funny.
Yeah?
Was the chain cold?
Was the chain?
Cold?
Was the chain cold? It was a little frosty,
Gave it a
but I wore gloves.
Do
Still don't know it.
you have any advice for young people?
Don't listen to your parents. They have no idea what they're doing. Follow your heart.
Are you going to get back into the TV business?
I think that my true passion lies in sports. I think I'll stay there. Oh, I know I am. Okay, I do. 'Cause I just like to, be myself and be ridiculous. And I'm Miley Cyrus.
Yeah.
I love noodles.
What do you think?
Have you ever got electrocuted?
Well, I'm here. So, I guess not.
Are you hungry?
I am a little.
What's the secret to your success?
Being a panda?
Wait, no, I kind of forgot it. Oh, okay.
Is grabbing the TV remote hard?
No? What about shampooing your hair?
Oh.
Is that challenging for you? No? Okay. Alright.
Do you like bugs?
Yes.
Did you create that machine all by yourself?
Yes. Wow.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Be myself.
Good answer.
How are you so smart? My brain.
You get along with your parents?
Not really.
No,
Do you still visit her grave?
Such a serious question.
I don't know.
Planning on having kids anytime soon?
No.
No? Okay.
Do you wish you had siblings?
Yes.
But he already has.
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
What's your favorite animal?
Dragon.
Did the bite sting?
Yes.
What do you, like, grab onto?
My shirt.
Where do you live? Like, what kind of place do you live in?
Avenue Street standing.
Okay.
Yes.
How does it feel when one of your fellow beings is killed?
I'll feel hungry.
That's great. How do you feel about being misunderstood by the media so much?
They slap me. Oh, sorry. Sammy.
Do you ever get interviewed?
Yes.
How do you take care of flies when they're inside your house?
Think bomb.
What? He's gonna bomb the house.
Yes.
I don't know if this is right, but how do you feel about your best friend turning evil?
That Jane gave it out. Babe. I got it.
I feel scared.
How do you feel about, like, the bad guys?
I feel less scared.
Do you catch any amount of sleep at night anymore?
Catch me.
Sleep?
You have a Jade.